you go, baby girl? Oh, wrong hand. Yep, look how much smaller everything looks when you're in this kind of environment around cars and shit.
It's brighter here.
Send me up.
I'm not going on the bum time purely because I don't even want to.
Woo!
Man, I forgot it was on video.
I didn't know they weren't even gonna tell us. What the fuck? Woo!
It's so tiny.
Right? Look how tiny everything looks. Cars, look at the people. See, mom would have been fine on that. What the fuck? They didn't even tell us. She'd have been like, come down.
You're on camera.
Babe, you'd have been good on this, I promise you. Look at the fucking view, man. Tell me, isn't that beautiful?
I'm trying to have it go back down so I can look.
10 seconds of fuck you, motherfucker.
Higher than the fence.
That's quick. It was really fast.
I like how they didn't tell you.
Yeah, they were like, I was just like, wait a minute, aren't you supposed to go back first?
Right.
I like it. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. All right, again. It's too fast, man. Did you do like a three trip combo or something? Just send me up 3 times. Good. I called you out.